How's it going, guys? Quick update on the drone. I'm making a few changes. It has, well, since the arms are really long, it's like kind of bouncy, so I'm trying to use some really thick tape to hold the gyroscope and accelerometer on a little bit of a different way so that it kind of absorbs the bounce a little bit more instead of on the breadboard. So I have a different Arduino here and a different accelerometer, and I put the pins on backwards so that I could mount it to something. And yeah, so I'm still working on that. I'm also designing a different, slightly different design. It's not very pretty right now, but that's the general idea. And so this way it'll actually have, like supports in between the arms. And this is actually going to be huge. So I'm going to print it on my ANYCUBIC right here, which is a 40 centimeter squared print bed. Still working that out a little bit, but yeah, it should be interesting. So if you're curious about that, make sure you hit the subscribe button for my videos. I've been trying to upload daily lately, so I'll keep you updated on that. And yeah, I guess thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And hit the thumbs up button, and we'll see you in the next video.